This is the A Specialty Box Christmas Advent Calendar. Before folding this box, you're going to pre-break at the scores. This will help prevent the windows from prematurely opening and make assembly easier. Fold the bottom flap, followed by the top flap. Then turn it over to fold in the opposite direction. We offer these in a variety of styles, and if you'd like to have a custom printed version, simply contact us via our website. Next, lift the box and open it by gently rocking it to the side. Next, we will turn the box over to fold the flaps. We'll start with this end by folding the sides, then the top flap. Now that the one side is folded, we'll insert a tray. Slide the tray in, then fold the remaining end closed. These trays are specific for our Advent calendars and are included with your purchase. And that is how to fold an Aspecialtybox.com Advent calendar. To order our Advent calendars, please visit Aspecialtybox.com or call us at 888-408-7269.